Contestant number 3, Toastmaster Onelia Danan Jimenez. Speech title, Favorite. Favorite, Toastmaster Onelia Danan Jimenez.
Mr. Contest Chair, well, I mean my favorite Mr. Contest Chair, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Do you have favorite? Please raise your hands if you do. Yalla, show me your hands. Don't be shy. Again, if you have favorite, please raise your hand. Great. Thank you very much. For those of you who raise your hands, congratulations. You are rich. Why? It means you have many choices. And for those who did not raise their hands, well, I'm sorry. I think you are on denial. Who doesn't have favorite anyways? Does it mean you don't have a choice? The first time I heard about Toastmasters, I got so excited. I heard it like a food. You know, toasted bread, French toast. Oh, I love food. But Toastmasters is an organization. Now, Toastmasters is my favorite organization. Why? Because this is the only organization that I joined. And this is the only organization that accepted me as a member. Because I paid for it. Only 50%. Because the other 50% is being sponsored by a distinguished Toastmaster. Another favorite, the table topic session. As in favorite, favorite to hate. Who can relate? The first time I attended my Toastmasters meeting, I told them, I will just observe. I will not speak. Then, there goes the table topic master, distinguished Toastmaster Rias. He called my name. I stood up, smiling awkwardly for 1 minute, and introduced myself. And guess what? I am the best table topic speaker on that day. Now, table topic is my favorite session, provided I am the table topic master. Enough of Toastmasters, let's get personal. Out of the 6 siblings, I am the favorite. My parents sent me to Manila, Philippines to study college. They were so proud of me when I graduated. I did not only handed them 1 certificate, I gave them 2. My college diploma and my marriage certificate. Surprise! Yes, I married my favorite husband, which later I hated. Favorite because he gave me 4 children. Then he left. I'm kind of happy. Do I look happy? Because I realized the more I hated him, the more children I will have. So it's a win-win situation, right? Yeah. As a parent, I wasn't supposed to have favorite. I was supposed to treat my children fairly and equally, except for the first. When I gave birth to my daughter, The doctor handed her to my husband. And then my husband got shocked. Oh, this is not my daughter. He doesn't look like me. She looks like her mother. She is her mother's daughter. And he's right. No, now, same height, same nose. Physically, she looks like a girl, but acts like a boy, just like me. And except for the second, my favorite joker. He always cracks his jokes, especially when he wants some cash. But sometimes, I really can't tell. Is he still serious or not? And except for the third, my smartest one, a very unique individual. If my daughter acts like a boy, well, he acts like a girl. And except for the fourth, who is my youngest, whom I love dearly. So you see, regardless of their uniqueness and differences, I love all my children. That is why I don't have just one favorite, but all of them are my favorite. Now, my favorite fellow Toastmasters and guests, do you have favorite? Yes. My favorite, Mr. Contest Chair.